All right, you trader nerds, welcome in one and all. How are y'all? We are at all-time highs in our accounts. It's been a great trading year. We have 2 months left to go, less than 2 months. Let's see if we can finish it out strong at the end of the year. So we're up 0.18% today. We have a little bit of average volume today, a little bit average volume. Overnight high was here, cash open was here. We're coming back down to it now. We'll see if that goes. AD is going down. AD is negative 64. So VIX down to 15, almost into the 14 handle. So, yeah, just kind of an inside day. I think if you kind of scrolled out a little bit, here's our opening here. Yeah, just kind of what I would call an inside day. Not much to see here. But, yeah, let's see how the old market does today. And if you are shorting that, like I was talking before we started doing, make sure you have a stop, right? Have a stop if you are shorting that and looking to pick up a few points to the downside. All right, let's see. How's our big green monster look today? Well, here's the thing. The point of control has now moved here, which means it gives this maybe a little bit more staying power. In other words, this we expect to go back into this area and ultimately in this area. But because our point of control, where the most volume is traded now, is up here instead of down here, may stay here a little while longer before we go down to that area. So let's just kind of see, especially, you're at the 4402. So it would be interesting to see if we go down below 4402 or if we're able to hold the 4400. Now, I think you'll see exhaustion in the market when you look here. Watch what the volume has done on this up move. The market has gone up, 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 and volume has gone down, 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 down. What that is a sign of is market exhaustion. There is exhaustion in the move upward. So we saw the doji candle yesterday. We saw a little candle here today. So what this means is that we should now stall or see a little bit of a pullback based on the exhaustion in this move upward. Okay, we've had a big move upward, but it is getting exhausted. So we'll see if that indeed is the case. I would say if you're wanting to do your selling your calls, if you are so inclined, now it's probably a good time to sell a call or two. You can probably sell them up here and it's a little pullback on your money. Okay, pull back on your money, pull back in the market if you're selling calls. All right. So with that being said, let's see how our little IRAs are doing today. So let's go to the regular IRA first. So today we've not looked at this one since 11/2, and today is 11/7/23. So we got up to 91,000. Let's see how we're doing today. Here we go. Got too many accounts to monitor. Wasn't it fun? Y'all didn't see it in the recording yesterday. But those of you that were with us live yesterday, we traded the $450,000 account, and it was really, really good. We all learned something yesterday. 91,902. 91,902. So let's see how we're doing here. 91,902. Oh, yes, 91,902. Fire up the band, Rico.
Well, we're moving on now to the side, to a deluxe apartment.
Yeah, we bought a bill yesterday, and I just remembered it's not in my trading plan. So I will have to amend my trading plan today to allow for me to buy BIL as a proxy for the treasury bills that we were doing, because you just can't do it over at Tasty. They're going to charge me $25 for each expiration that I do one at. No, I can't do that. That's crazy. I'm not giving them $25 when I can buy a bill for $2 and buy, what did we buy yesterday? $300-something thousand worth of bill. So, interesting. So deltas are 64.55, 64.55, 64. Oh yes, look at this, y'all. 64.55. We're a little blue, no big deal. And the VIX is down at 15. And we are at a buying power of 22.1. Oh, yeah. Just love it when everything looks so good. Look at this, y'all. Other than our little bitty puny theta. Now, we're going to do the same thing that we did yesterday. We're going to look over at our trades and see if anything needs adjusting. Now, here we only have, I don't think I've adjusted this yet to the new formula. No, 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 no. Less than 28. Hold on a second. K244 less than 28. Let's change that to less than 30. Anyway, it's only saying it's the close one. So here's what I need to do. I need to figure out how many naked puts that I have, and in comparison to how many Greeks or how many put debit spreads that I have. So let's look at that. So we got 9 naked positions, 5 put debit spreads. Ideally, I would like that to be 9 to 9, right? So what we'll do is we'll kind of split the baby and probably take off that one, right? We'll probably take off this naked here. And yeah, it's probably the only one I'll peel off today. So let's look at that. The 40/50s with 23 days left. 40/50s with 23 days left. So let's go find him. Just making them about the same. 40/50, 23 days left. Let's see. 40/50s with 23 days left. There we go. So we're up $159 on those. So let's just close those. Okay. Take a little bit of risk off that doesn't have a put debit spread associated with it, and see if we can move that down to the 460. And we are out. I said we are out. Dang it, it was wishful thinking. Hold on, let's get it in here. 465, the net price. Oh, we got out at 460. There we go. Let's go put it in. I told you we were out. 460. So 460. And we got out on 11/7/23. Hard to believe it's almost Thanksgiving, y'all. Look at that. So we made, how much money did Sweet Bobby make? Did we make enough money to go to Applebee's? $153. I could feed my whole family for that. So let's take this off. And get it out of our stuff. There we go. Now what I could do is put on another one out in 120, put on a naked and put on an associated debit spread with it. But I'm not going to do that today. I'm just going to let it sit because I think I'll get a better chance tomorrow. I'm looking for the down day. I just think that the down day's coming and I'll just hold on. And it's not like we're not making money, right? We made $1,800 there. We made $2,300 there. We made $750 since last, Thursday. I mean, we're clearly going in the right direction, even though we have low theta. So market movement and volatility going down, we're certainly doing good. Okay, so this account looks really, really good. So let's close it. And let's go to the little bitty Roth IRA. Where's it at? Right here. All right, let's go over here. And our Roth IRA is at 29,214. I remember when we were 25,000, y'all. 29,214. See how we're doing there? 29,214. Oh yeah, 29,214. Fire up the band, Rico.
Well, we're moving on now to the side, to a deluxe apartment in the sky.
So we're up 11.88% in this account. Let's see if we've overtaken the S&P 500 from when we started this. We started this one in, when did we start this? We started this in February, almost March. So the market during that time has been up 9.13%, and old Sweet Bobby is kicking in at 12%, y'all. We're almost beating them by 2.75%. Love it, love it, love it, love it. All right, let's put our Greeks and ratios in. That's what we want to do. We want to outdo the S&P 500. We always want to make a profit even when the S&P 500 is down. And if you looked at last year, we were up about 25% when the S&P 500 was down 20%. So 33.30. See how that looks. 33.30. Oh yeah. 33.30. Beautiful. We're at 0.10 where we want to be. 15 here. On 15 there. And our buying power usage is a measly 12,170. 12,170. All right. So 41% there. Our theta is where it needs to be. I could take it a little higher, and deltas are fine, no adjustment. Everything looks really, really, really good. Let's look at our individual trades and see if anything is telling us to close it. So we're getting one close signal, and we have on 8 naked positions and 6 put debit spreads. We would ideally like those to be even. So what we'll do is we'll close that 40-50 with 23 days left, just like we did in the other one. And then I'll probably wait till tomorrow to put on additional premium. Okay. So let's take that one off. Here we go. Ta-da. Oh, it's T-bill Tuesday, isn't it? Don't forget T-bill Tuesday. Buy your T-bills. So 40-50 with 23 days left. There we go. So closing. And we tried to close that one a while ago at 460, and we got out at 460, didn't we? Let's see if we can get out at 460 this time. Come on, baby girl. Come to daddy. Here we go. 465. Applebee's money, 465. We are out. Let's go put that in our little thing. So we're out at 465. And 11,723. Okay, that's it. I don't think there's much else to do today. We're beating the S&P 500 in the little account. The other one's not, but that's my fault because I've not been able to keep enough theta in that account, and I just should have been trading bigger size in it. But everything looks good, so we will shut the recording down and we will go into buying the T-bills for the day. See y'all tomorrow.